Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you several ways how you can hide comments in your pages on Notion. It is very simple and you absolutely don't need any technical skills to pull this off. So let us get started right away and guide you through this. Navigate to your page on Notion. So as you can see, I'm on a test page here for the sake of this tutorial. And as you can see as well, I have already added a test comment like this one here. So what you want to do, guys, is option number one. Option number one would be simply to delete the given comment if you have the rights to do that. If you're the workspace owner, for example, to do that, hover your mouse over the given comment, and here to the right, you will see a small menu with these three dots here, more actions. Click into it and select delete comment. That is going to delete the entire comment. The second option, guys, would be to simply resolve the given comment. So you may do that by, again, hovering your mouse over the given comment and by clicking into resolve here on that check mark in the top right corner. That's the second option, guys. However, if you neither want to delete comments nor to resolve them, but simply hide them, you may do that by accessing your page customization menu. To do that, make sure that you navigate to the given page. And after that, you will see these three dots in the top right corner. And click into them and select customize page from the drop down menu. And what you want to do, select page discussions from that menu below here and simply turn it off. As you can see, the comment has disappeared. You may also select inline comments if you like, switch from default to minimal, but that's actually not relevant. The relevant feature is this one here, page discussions, guys. So if you'd like to enable or reinstate these discussions and comments, simply toggle discussions on here to the right, and that is going to show these comments again. And that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.